Hi everybody, it's Fraser here from the Vevox customer success team. And one question we very occasionally get asked here at Vevox is whether it's possible to go ahead and export your polling questions and your survey questions from the product to be used in a raw text style format only. So for something like a Word document or an email perhaps. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a couple steps for how you can go ahead and achieve this functionality today if indeed you ever do need to do that. So let's go ahead and have a look at the screen and we'll go ahead and get started. So first of all, you want to make sure that you're inside the session for which you wish to export your data and questions from. In my case, I'm inside my self-paced quiz test here. And then you want to simply navigate to the data tab using your menu bar on the left. Now, from within here, we want to go ahead and download an Excel data report copy of this Vevox session, which we can do by clicking the download data report button in the top left there. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that and wait for the file to download. And then once done, we can click on it and open it up. Now, in my case here, I'm wishing to export a number of questions from within a survey. So I've just browsed to my survey results tab from inside our Excel download. And simply what I want to do from here is select the questions that I wish to export to be used in an alternative file. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and select my questions here on row 6. And in my case, I'm also going to go ahead and take the multiple choice options with it, where those questions do indeed have multiple choice responses. Now, from this point, I simply want to go ahead and copy those cells and then go ahead and open up a new tab within the same Excel document. Now, from here, we simply want to go ahead and right click in the very first cell and click on the paste special option. And from within here, we simply just want to click the transpose checkbox at the bottom right there and then click OK. Now, once this is done, what we want to do from here is go ahead and click the wrap text button to unwrap those cells. And then finally, we just want to select all of the cells and then double click in between the cell lines just to go ahead and expand the full view of the cells. Now, the final part of this is then to go ahead and once again select our cells. So selecting the cells that we wish to export, copying once again, and then from here we simply want to go ahead and open up a Word document, which I already have open in this case. And then finally, we just want to right click inside our Word document, and then we want to, underneath the paste options, choose the second option there, use destination style. Now you can see in doing so, it pastes in our questions from our transposed Excel file. And obviously it goes and puts these questions in quite a nicely formatted grid style here for us. So on the left here, we've got the individual questions. And then over here, we've got the response choices because we took those with it on the right. So this could be quite nicely distributed now via email or in a Word document, or perhaps uploaded into an internal portal or something of that matter, if indeed you did need to do that. Obviously, this isn't generally how Vevox is designed to be used, but we do occasionally get asked the question. So that's just a really simple step process there for how you can go ahead and export those and use them in a text style format if indeed you need to. So that's it from me, guys. Hopefully that was useful. Any questions, feel free to reach us at support@vevox.com and we'll be happy to help. But otherwise, I'll catch you soon on the next one. Cheers.